guys, welcome back. It's Boxing Day. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas day. Today we're going to be making some wedges. Aren't wedges a fantastic creation for woodworkers? We use them to fix joints, we use them to hold up things like doors, we use them to fit staircases together, we can use them instead of clamps to clamp up panels, and all other sorts of uses. So to make a jig to make repeatable shaped wedges, this is what you do. Wedge shape on it, so let's make one as 20mm by 200mm. Get yourself a little block or something like that you can use as a handle. Screw your handle on. There's your jig. Cut yourself some timber, 200mm long for the length of your wedge. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video about how to make a wedge jig, and I'll see you again tomorrow for another tip. Bye!